There was a time when we used to fight every day. We would argue over the smallest things. The older brother would snatch the younger brother's toy. The younger brother would shout in anger. We would yell at each other loudly. Sometimes, we even pushed each other. Mother would watch from a distance, angry. And then, we would get scolded. We both sat separately, upset and silent. But deep inside, we still cared. And after a while, we played together again. Time passed. We started growing up. One day, he had to leave for the city. He picked up his bag and walked away. The younger brother watched, silently. He turned back and waved goodbye, and kept walking, farther away, until he disappeared. The house became quiet. There was no one left to fight with. He sat alone, holding that same toy, the one they used to fight over. Now, it felt precious. Tears filled his eyes. He remembered everything. Those fights, those laughs, those loud, happy moments. The memories faded away, and the place was empty. Everything had changed. He looked up at the sky, closed his eyes slowly. "Brother, we don't fight anymore. I just miss you."